The following tackles the basic ways to debug and fix issues when it comes to blueprints. Prepared a very basic example with a player character and some coins. So let's see how it works so far. Okay, so pretty clear that something is not going well here. To debug, start with adding a breakpoint. This stops execution when the marked event is triggered. Now stepping in, we observe that past branch, it doesn't run. Let's add a print string to confirm. We see that it never recognizes that actor. Controller's not right here since it has no physical representation compared with the character class. I like to save the casted character so I can access things from it later if needed. Test again. Now it sorta works. We see here that score is not actually adding anything to it, so we fix that. We can also add a watch here to double check. It's getting added twice instead of just once, so we'll disable the rotating collision after the first valid collision. Let's check again. Cool, works. Now we can also make sure to connect the coins amount so we can individually control the coins received per each coin. This might not be very obvious, but we still have an issue here. The fact that the coins still exist in the world, so we might want to destroy them to clear up memory. We check to see the duration of the VFX, and we make sure it gets destroyed after these two delays added up are past the time it takes to let the VFX end cleanly. Tune in every week for quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.